Hi guys, I'm gonna do something very interesting today. I'm gonna build a UPS that can stand longer power when there's a blackout. So this one is a very small. It can only last for like 5 minutes or so for a 100 watt lamp. So now I'm going to put this huge lithium ion battery instead of the small one that comes with this uninterruptible power supply. So that's what I'm gonna do today. This is just an experiment, so we'll see if it's gonna work or not. I'm going to connect this LED lamp. It says here it has a power of 100 watts, and I'm gonna hook it up to my UPS power and see how long it will hold. Okay, I'm gonna power it on. Okay, now it's on. When it's beeping, it's telling me that there's no power source from the house. So now I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, now I'm gonna time it and see how long it will last. The last time I tried this, it was like something like 15 minutes, which is not very long. So if you have a blackout that will last for the whole day or the whole night, 8 hours or so, this is not practical. Okay, I'm gonna wait until this beeping sound here and will stop. And the beeping went faster, so that means it's about to go out. Maybe another 2-3 minutes. So a total of 12 to 15 minutes so far, which is actually pretty good for a small UPS. Okay, now finally it died. So it's exactly about 20 minutes. Okay, this is how it looks like. There's a small battery, which is only 7.5 amp hour. That's the one that I'm gonna replace with the big one and see and experiment how long it's gonna last. Oh, it's actually very simple. It's a charger and there's an inverter. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to put this nice connector I got from Amazon, and I'll put it right there. Now I'm gonna take out the battery, this small battery. You have to be careful on doing this. I don't advise if you don't have experience on electricity and electronics, because this could be risky. You put a tape on the positive side so that it won't get short to ground, just for safety. And slowly take it out. There you go. Okay. Next, I'm gonna put this one to here. Man, this is actually a lot of work. Wow, it's perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna put the male connector. Oh, this one is a bigger one. Just like that. Okay, and you need to crimp it really good, really good, like that. So like that. Crimp it good. Yes. Yeah. This is what they call the pull test. Pull it out. Pull. It should not come out. I think I'm gonna put the switch right over here like this. It doesn't look good, but it's okay. You know, I don't have any other place to put. For sure, it's not on the front. In the back. The back side is so crowded already. See, there's no more space. Look at that. That's so nice. Yeah. Okay. So I have decided I'm gonna put it right here. That's good. You can make a bigger hole in seconds. On, off, on, off. Okay, just make sure you put back all the connectors. There's a connector right there. Right there. After you put the cover, just make sure you shake it. Nothing is loose. inside, like a screw or anything like that. This one looks good. So I'm just gonna put the screw back in, and basically I'm done. So you're just gonna put back all the screws. Yeah, and then you're done. Now I'm gonna put this cable into the battery. It's like this. Back to the negative. There you go. Yes. It's like that. And now we're done. Now we're just gonna hook up this one on the back. It's like that. Here, it's gonna go like this. I ended up opening this again because it didn't work the first time. Yeah, this connector only goes one way. Only one way. So when you go insert, as you can see, the black negative wire, the color coding reverses in the inside. So you have to be careful on this one. So the color code black now becomes red, and then the red becomes black. So now I'm gonna turn it on for the first time. Ooh, good luck. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. Wow, very good. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oop. It's beeping because it's not hooked up to the outlet from the house. So that's why it's beeping. Now I can use my switch to turn off the alarm. That switch right there. That one. Boom. Yeah, it's 121 volts AC. So okay, so this is now the finished product. So as you can see, I put more modifications. I put an external and internal battery. So the external, you switch it, the toggle switch to up position, and it goes into the big lithium ion battery. And then when you put it to internal, that's gonna be the smaller. You're utilizing the smaller battery. That's inside the box. This is the way you can charge the battery if there's no brownout. It has to be connected all the time on an AC outlet. So on this way, the battery is being charged all the time, and then it shows you that there's an AC coming in. When it's on the up position, the external battery is being charged. Okay, I'm gonna simulate a power blackout. So I'm gonna unplug this one. I'll unplug it, and then the battery will kick in right away. And of course, it starts beeping, telling me that there's no power, there's a blackout. So I'm gonna turn it off. That's it, guys. See you next time.